In this video, we're going to be talking about how the eye sees images and color. First, we're going to start with the basic structures of the human eyeball. The human eyeball, as seen from the side, can easily be divided into three main layers. The first layer, the outer layer, consists of the sclera. The sclera is the white part of the eye, which helps maintain the eye shape. Next, there is the cornea. The cornea is like the window of the eye. It is the first pane that lets light into the eye. In the second layer, we have the choroid. The choroid goes from the back all the way to the front of the eye and involves two main structures in the front of the eye. Here in the back, it helps supply blood to the eye, but in the front, it's made up of the iris, which is a muscle. The iris is actually the colored part of the eye, but no matter if you're blue-eyed, brown-eyed, or green-eyed, it all acts the same. It helps to control the dilation of the pupil. The pupil, the black part of the eye, is the opening, is actually a hole to where the light passes through to the lens. The last of the main second layer structures is the ciliary body. The ciliary body acts as a muscle to control the elongation of the lens to focus light to the back of the eye. The lens, much like a camera lens, focuses light that passes through the cornea and pupil onto the back of the eye where it can be received into messages. The back of the eye, called the retina, is where there are millions of cells, rods and cones, that detect color and the images. Rod cones detect black and white, are used in peripheral vision, and are often used when we are trying to see at night. Cone cells help detect color and help form more complex images. The stimulus received from the rod and cone cells is sent along the optic nerve as electrical signals to the brain. So here we're going to have another brief overview of the path of light through the eye. So first, light comes from the sun, or artificial light, and bounces off objects and is sent to the eye. First, it travels through the cornea, the window, and through the pupil. Once it goes through the pupil, it is focused from the lens onto the back of the eye, the retina, where the different colors, shapes, and structures of the object that you are seeing are all detected by rod and cone cells. These stimulus are sent along the optic nerve to the brain, where your brain